The things that were not going well for me that actually prompted me to take the Audition Intensive were things like I knew the choices I wanted to make, and then I wouldn't make those choices in the room. It was even the quality of the auditions that I wasn't happy with. I didn't have enough depth to my characters. And I was like, oh, this could have something to do with training. So what the Audition Intensive did for me was it opened up a lot of creativity, imagination, and realizing that there's actually a knowable technique to auditioning. And it was all done sort of like on a gentle gradient so that you slowly built your ability to know and to deliver. What's really cool for me is I actually know what to do. And so when the audition comes through, I'll be like, I know how to do that. And you apply and you learn and you practice and you play. It was fun.